2, Year of Our Lord 2025. Just a quick vlog on the recent um, incident about Senator Risa Hontiveros. As we all know, Risa Hontiveros has been embroiled again in an issue. We can call this a scandal concerning a witness against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, si alias Rene. Si alias Rene, dating miyembro ng KOJC. Tapos naging witness ni Senator Hontiveros sa Senate hearing niya on the alleged crimes of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Ngayon, bumaliktad yung witness. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang rason. We can only speculate. Okay? So, nung bumaliktad yung witness, sinabi ng witness na binayaran daw siya ni Senator Risa Hontiveros. Ngayon, as a defense, nag-file ng kaso ngayon si complaint si Senator Hontiveros sa NBI against alias Rene o Michael Maurilio. Ang masaklap is nadama yung mga vloggers na according to Senator Hontiveros, vloggers who became more or less vessels in order for that video recorded statement of alias Rene to be disseminated in a way. So, nasali sila. Now, according to the news, ang reklamo ni Senator Hontiveros is cyber libel. With the use of course the internet. Now, in relation to this, may Supreme Court decision kasi, latest Supreme Court decision on libel and cyber libel. Actually, ang kaso doon is involving grave slander. Tapos yung complainant, ang private complainant was a barangay official. Sinabihan siya na bias after a barangay lupon hearing. So on that basis, nag-file siya ng kaso against that public officer, against that private individual. Na-convict yung accused. Tapos umabot sa Supreme Court yung kaso nila, Labargan versus People, yung title ng case. Umabot sa Supreme Court, inacquit siya ng Supreme Court. Sabi ng Supreme Court, nirepeat lang ng Supreme Court yung old doctrine or principle ba na if you are a public officer, you must not be onion skin. You allow yourself to be scrutinized, and of course, in the process of scrutinizing you, the public may utter or say statements that would hurt you. So, sabi ng Supreme Court, dapat hindi kayo onion skin. Kasi public servants kayo. Tapos sabi dun sa Labargan versus People na case, Especially if ang subject ng criticism sa iyo is your function as a public officer, no? So if that is the case, then there is no malice. Sa libel kasi, malice is not if the private complainant is a public officer, the malice, no, which is important, no, to prove the guilt of the accused, no, beyond reasonable doubt. If public officer ang private complainant, malice is not presumed. Pero if ang victim or ang private complainant, private citizen, tapos na libel mo siya or na slander mo siya, no, malice there is presumed, no. So kung public officer ka, i-prove mo na malicious yung intent, no, na ginawa ng accused sa'yo, no. Tapos i-add mo tong Labargan versus Republic na Labargan versus People na case na if ang criticism mo in line with sa duties and responsibilities sa public officer, hindi yan siya libelous, no. So the way I see it, hindi dapat na involve yung mga vloggers, no. Kasi ang vloggers kasi, no, nire-repeat lang nila, no, ina-amplify lang nila yung sinabi mismo ng alias Rene, no. Of course, yung sinabi ng alias Rene, libelous talaga yun against Senator Risa Hontiveros. But as to whether or not malicious yun, no, that is subject to proof, no, by Senator Risa Hontiveros. Tapos subject din sa defense ni alias Rene na totoo yung sinasabi niya, no? So mag-present siya ng evidence na totoo yung sinasabi niya. Okay? So yun lang. Salamat.